on the weaknesses of the candidates. As I have said earlier, and as it is also discussed in the reports of 2007 and 2008 of Federal Public Service Commission, English as a mode of expression is weak of all the candidates who take part uh, in these examinations. So, the candidates who want to appear in these examinations are required to improve their English. It is first and the foremost point. And I would also inform you that in 2007, 92% of the candidates who appeared were failed in the examination of English AC. And according to the report, there were two trains very much visible there. And what were the trains? There were the students who were very good in English and who were very good in expression, but their style was muddled. Their style was muddled and their style was confused. They were not able to summarize their thoughts and to focus and to conclude their thoughts to a final outcome, which is very much necessary in English essay. Because when you write essay, it is very necessary for you first to make the differing thoughts. First to write the differing thoughts about a subject, and then to summarize them and to intermingle them, so to reach to some outcome or so to reach to some conclusion which was lacking in them. So even their English was good, they were failed because they did not know the contents of essay. They did not have the knowledge of the essence of essay. What is essay? What it is composed of? What should be its ingredients? What should be its components? It is very much necessary. So they were all failed. 92% candidates were failed in essay. And in the same examination, 68% of the candidates were failed in English Fixie and composition. The commission said in its report that most of the candidates who attempted the Fixie were not even aware of the technique of the Fixie, how to summarize. They didn't know. So they were totally unaware of the technicalities of Fixie. And second thing that is also mentioned there is they were not able to comprehend the topic, or they were not able to comprehend the passage fully. They were not able to understand the passage fully. So they could not answer it properly. It is also a trend there. And second trend which was also present in that examination was there were some candidates who were having very good thoughts, who were having very good expressions, but in terms of the English is the mode of expression, in terms of English grammar, in terms of English phrase, their knowledge was not up to the requirement. That is why they failed. So there were these two differing trends which were seen in this examination. So it is very much necessary for you to know the technicalities of essay, to know the grammar, to know the structure, and to have the ability to understand and to express yourself and to conclude from the different ideas. It is very much necessary in essay. Commission also recommended to the government that from secondary level the English must be emphasized in the schools, and the teachers, the instructors who conduct the English class should also be trained. It is written in the report. So you are also required to improve your English from because I am seeing there are some students here who are of the lower ranks. So my message to them is to improve your English from very beginning. When we attempt a question, it is very necessary that we analyze it. We analyze it from different aspects. But it is often seen that we may have the capability and capacity to analyze, but sometimes we feel short of expressing ourselves or expressing that particular passage or that particular answer. That also hinders the proper and appropriate way of answering.